Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Volvo V90 key battery. Start by removing the emergency key, pry the fob seam with a small flat tool, lift the cover, replace the CR2032 battery ensuring the plus side faces up, snap the cover back together, reinsert the emergency key, and test the remote buttons and passive entry before driving. If the key fails, try cleaning contacts with isopropyl alcohol and check the battery seating. Gather your tools and a fresh CR2032 battery and work on a clear, well-lit surface to avoid losing parts. Remove the emergency key, then use a small flat tool to gently separate the fob halves along the seam without bending plastic. Remove the old battery, note polarity, insert the new CR2032 with the plus side facing up, press the halves together until they click, then test the remote functions and passive entry. Hey friends, if you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. The new Kindle Paperwhite makes waiting for parts or reading manuals a pleasure, with crisp display and long battery life that works well in bright sun or dim garages. I've linked it in the description along with other useful deals, so check there for details and savings. Now let's get back to the video. If replacing the battery does not restore full function, check that the battery sits flat and the contacts are clean and free of corrosion. Test the remote from several distances and try the spare key to isolate the issue. A dim LED, poor range, or inconsistent passive entry suggests either poor contact, a weak new battery, or a failing transponder. In those cases, contact a dealer or qualified locksmith for diagnosis and programming.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.